Guys, as you can see on the screen right now, and as you probably saw in the title or in the thumbnail, I'm going to be showing you how to make 50 cents over and over again, as you can see on the screen, every single day over and over again by simply sending out emails to people. And guys, I'm sure a ton of you guys have seen other videos on YouTube about people telling you to do this, but at the end of the day they tell you have to sell a product or something like that. Guys, in this video you're literally going to be sending out emails. You're going to get a chance to make 50 cents over and over again every single day. So before we get into this video, if this is your first time on my channel, you haven't subscribed, do me a solid favor, go below this video, hit the red subscribe button, drop a like also, and leave your questions in the comment section. So if you're confused about anything, or if you want to ask me any question about anything I do in this video, go below this video in the comment section, leave your questions. And also guys, every single link or every single website I'm going to visit in this video, all links are going to be in the description, so go check the description out. And also I'm going to leave a link to other tools and websites and a ton of other things you guys could actually use to make money online. So with that out of the way, let's get over to the first thing you want to do, and let's actually come over to this website over here. So you're going to go over to crisp.ai/affiliates, and you're going to sign up for this affiliate program. And I'm sure a ton of you guys are probably wanting to click off this video right now because I'm talking about affiliate marketing, but guys, this is something that works. This is something that's working for me and a ton of other people, and I'm going to show you guys how to make the same amount of money I'm making right now. So guys, you're going to come over to this website crisp.ai/affiliates. You're going to click on become an affiliate. It's pretty much obvious, and after signing up you're going to wait to get accepted. They usually accept people maybe 1 day after or 2 days after. I got approved the second day, and after you get approved the second day, you're going to get access to this over here, and you're going to come over to where it says assets over here, and you're going to grab your affiliate link. So that's what you're going to be using for this. And also there are a bunch of other assets here. If you have a website and you want to share this on your website or share this on other social media platforms, a ton of assets over here, because the more ways you actually use to promote this, the more money you're going to be making. So if you come back over here and we scroll down, I'm going to show you guys something real quick, and we're going to be making 50 cents over and over again by sending people our affiliate links to sign up for this app for completely free. And every single time they sign up for completely free on their laptop or desktop, you're actually going to be making 50 cents over and over again. And guys, this is the affiliate program I'm actually using with this, because people are going to be signing up for free. Other affiliate programs require a person to actually purchase something before you get a commission, but for this affiliate program, every single time someone signs up for a free account, you're going to be getting 50 cents over and over again. And I'm going to show you how to promote this by using emails. So you're going to be sending people emails, you're going to be making 50 cents over and over again, like I'm doing right now. So the second thing you want to go over to is go over to Google and type this in. I'm also going to leave this in the description. You're going to type in sites, facebook.com, Zoom meetings, and at gmail.com. You guys could actually switch this up so that everyone doesn't target the same people. So you guys could change this to quora.com, you could change this over here to only Zoom, and you could change this over here to maybe at yahoo.com. And the reason why we're targeting Facebook is because there are a ton of people on Facebook. So you guys could also target another website like Instagram or any other website you know has a ton of monthly visitors. So after doing that, we're going to go over to this website over here, and I don't really know how to pronounce that. That's intel-sw.com, but I'm going to leave this in the description also. And the simple thing you want to do over on this website is simply drag this button over here, and after you install it, when you click on it, it should look something like this. And guys, this is simply a tool that's going to help you get emails from a web page, and I'm going to be showing you guys how this works right now. So for example, let me bring this over here real quick, this Excel sheet, and over here as you can see, I've typed in sites, facebook.com, Zoom meetings, and at gmail.com. So what this is going to bring out for me is going to get targeted people who are actually using the Zoom meetings app, and it's going to bring out their emails for me as long as they've posted their emails over on Facebook. And all I have to do here is click on Shane's tool over here, and when you do it, you're going to click on scrape emails, and guys, it's going to bring out a ton of emails from people who have already posted their emails on any of these Facebook groups or on Facebook before. So as you guys can see over here, a ton of emails. And after you get a ton of emails like that, the next thing you have to do is simply change this over here to another email provider. So now that I got the people who have Gmails, I'm going to type in Yahoo over here. You're simply going to search for that, and after you get the results, you're going to tap on Shane's tool over here again. You're going to click on scrape emails, and as you can see right now, I got all the Yahoo emails on this page. So you're going to try different keywords and different email providers. And to get a ton of emails, something I'm gonna tell you guys to do right now is scroll to the bottom of the page over here. Okay, it's not over here, but when you go over to google.com, I'm gonna type that in real quick. Okay, I'm already there. Let me see real quick. So just simply gonna go over to google.com. I'm gonna show you guys what to do real quick. So you're gonna tap on settings below over here, and you're gonna go over to search settings, and after that loads up, you're gonna go over to results per page, and you're going to click on 100 so that a ton of results show on the page instead of you going over to the next page over and over again, so you could get more emails faster and easier. So as you guys saw, all you have to do is download the Shane's tool, and you're going to be getting a ton of emails on every single page you visit, and you're going to be using targeted keywords for this. And the reason why I'm actually using Zoom meetings, in case you didn't know, Crisp, the affiliate program is actually an affiliate program for an app that blocks background noise. So I'm targeting Zoom meetings. People who are actually using the Zoom app is because it's a video conferencing app, and obviously people using that app would obviously want to block out their background noises. So that's the reason why I'm using Zoom meetings. You guys could search for other stuff like maybe Webex is another video conferencing app, or you could search for Google Classroom, because obviously teachers using Google Classroom are obviously going to be using video conferencing apps. So you guys get what I'm trying to say over here. So after getting your emails, all you have to do is come up with, so I'm going to do this again real quick because I exited it real quick, so I'm going to do this again, and I'm simply going to do Ctrl A over here. With that, I'm just going to copy it manually. So I'm going to scroll down. As you guys can see, this is actually a ton of emails over here. So I'm going to go over to this place and paste this in to see how many emails we actually got. And scrolling down, let me scroll down. As you guys can see, we have 108 emails over here, and that is a lot of emails of actually targeted people. And as you guys actually change the keywords over here and change the email providers, you're going to be getting more emails over and over again. So after this step, the next thing you want to do is come over here to Gmask.co, and this is simply a tool that allows you to send emails to multiple people at once. And what you're going to do is click on add to Gmail. So obviously I already have this installed, so it's going to show remove from Gmail. Let that load up real quick. So this is the extension on the Chrome store over here, and as you can see, for me it says remove from Chrome because I already have it installed. For you guys that are actually installing this for the first time, it's going to show you install this to Chrome. So after you do that, you're going to come over to Gmail, and this is what it's going to do for you guys. So after you actually come over to Gmail for the first time, it's going to tell you to sign up for Gmask or log in with Google on Gmask. You're going to do that. You're going to give it access to your Gmail, and this is what it's going to show over here. It's going to show this, and when you try to send an email, it's going to show this over here, Gmask, and that basically allows you to send emails to a ton of people at once. And guys, something I want to mention to you is that for the free plan of Gmask, you can only send 50 emails per day, but there's a way to actually work around that and send more emails. And the thing to do is simply create multiple Gmail accounts, and when you create multiple Gmail accounts, you're going to be able to send 50 emails every single day on different Gmail accounts. So I'm going to show you guys real quick what this does. So let me come back over here, and I'm going to copy the first 50 emails I have over here. So copy first 50 ones, and the reason why I'm using Google Sheets over here is simply so I can number the amount of emails I'm copying. So that is 50 over here. All you have to do is click on copy and come back over to Gmail. You're going to just simply paste this in here, and as you guys can see, a ton of emails. And as you can see over here, we have hidden the send button to prevent you from making a dastardly mistake. So when you paste a ton of emails, they're actually going to remove the actual send button. They're going to replace it with Gmask over here, so you can send an email over to a ton of people at once. So as you guys can see, this email and 49 others, and all you have to do in this email is simply put in a subject like maybe this app will get rid of your background noise. And after typing that in, all you have to do is grab your affiliate link over here. And guys, I'm gonna advise you not to only send your affiliate link, because obviously no one's going to click on that if you do that. But all you can do is simply give a backstory. You could be like, Crisp is an app that blocks background noise, blah 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 blah. You could go over to Google and actually search this up, or you could go over to the website and see if they have anything about their app over here, and you're going to paste that over in your Gmail, and you're going to put your link in one of the words. So you could type something like get it now, and when you put this in get now, you're going to tap on link over here, and you're going to simply paste your affiliate link into this, and this is what it's going to look like for whoever opens the email. So instead of putting your whole affiliate link, making the email look ugly, you're simply going to put the link in a word like this so the email actually looks better. And when you're done with composing your email, all you have to do is hit send. And guys, every single day you're going to be sending out 50 emails to people. And if you have more Gmail accounts, like I said, you're going to be sending emails to maybe 1,000 people per day. And guys, when these people see that they can actually get this for free, you're going to be making 50 cents over and over again. And the first week of every month, you're going to be getting paid from this affiliate program. So guys, that is pretty much it. I hope you guys gained some info from this video. Just came up with this method and I felt like I should share with you guys. So guys, that is pretty much it for this video. As I said in the beginning, if this is your first time on my channel, you haven't subscribed, do me a solid favor, subscribe, drop a like below, and leave your questions in the comments section. And I'll be releasing more videos about how to make money online with affiliate marketing, drop servicing, and a ton of other methods that you guys could actually use to make money online. Thank you guys so much for watching. Peace and out.